Most people overestimate what can they do in a week and underestimate what can they do in a year. We wait for the motivation, we wait for the right time, we wait for the clarity. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Our life is not stuck because of lack of opportunities. It's stuck because of invisible daily habits. And today I'm going to tell you how small, boring and unnoticeable habits can make your life extraordinary. There was a phase when everything looked fine from outside. Business running, meetings happening, goals are written, but internally, I had scattered mind, I had reactive decisions, I had energy fluctuations, and I had inconsistent focus. I wasn't failing, but I was not even scaling. And I realized something powerful. The problem was not strategy, the problem was daily structure. I had big ambition, but weak microsystem. And that's when everything shifted. Why the big goals don't work? We love dramatic transformation, like 0 to 100 crores, just like that. From unhealthy to athlete and from broke to millionaire. We want everything swift, but the brain doesn't change with intensity. It changes with repetition. Motivation spikes dopamine, but the habits build your consistency. It builds identity. You don't become confident because you attended a seminar. You become confident because you keep small promises daily. Micro habits remove distraction, and distraction is the real reason that most people don't grow. So what are the micro habits that you can adopt for your mind? Your mind first of all should be clean before you grow your mind. Try this for 30 days. No phone for first 20 minutes. Write only 3 priorities for the day. 5 minutes silence before starting a work. At least read 2 pages daily, minimum. And reflect before sleep. Ask yourself, were you able to achieve what you set out to achieve for the day? You don't need 2-hour morning routine. What we need or what you need is the mental hygiene. See, when you have mental clarity, it reduces your anxiety. And if you don't have anxiety, then your business grows by itself. Now let's talk about micro habits for your body. See, energy is the real currency. Without energy, leadership collapses. Your team looks up to you. So you have to show your energy to your team. So these are the simple habits which you can adopt. Take water before caffeine. Have 5-minute movement after every 1 hour. Don't keep sitting on your office chair. Just get up and take 5-minute walk. Take 1 clean meal daily. Whenever I want to feel light, then I prefer khichdi. It works wonder. You can try. Adopt fixed sleeping timing. If you sleep on the fixed time, you will get up on the fixed time. And do the deep breathing daily, at least thrice a day. It will help you calm down your stress. See, you don't need extreme discipline. What you need is consistency. Now let's talk about micro habits for business. And that's where most entrepreneurs struggle, and I even struggled. Just strategy doesn't scale your business. Tracking scale your business. Try this. Do 10 minutes daily sales huddle with your team. Track your numbers daily. Appreciate your team members. Whosoever is performing well, appreciate your team members. That's very important. All the important clients of your business, keep a direct contact with them. Time to time check-ins. What is happening with their account. Review your receivables regularly and preferably twice a week. And do the OKR. Trust me, it helps. OKR builds accountability for everyone. Bring everyone, every key role in OKR, and that will build accountability of each key person, and you will have massive results coming in for you. Because when you track daily, then your business stops controlling you. You start controlling your business. Everybody says that instead of working in your business, you start working on your business, and that's very important to grow your business. Now the micro habits for your own identity. This is the deepest layer. Your habit shapes your belief. Ask daily, am I behaving and becoming the person I want to become? Keep your promises. Keep your words. Do not react instantly. Analyze the situation and then respond. Finish your small tasks the same day and speak calmly and dress intentionally. It attracts fortune. Identity builds your confidence. Follow that 1% rule. Improve yourself 1% daily. You may not see any result in 7 days or 10 days, but at the end of the 30 days, you will see yourself a changed person. You will see some or the other growth or the change, better changes in yourself. And if you keep doing it for the next 365 days, then you will be like unrecognizable. Boring repetition is elite power. Transformation is actually boring, but if you keep doing it, then the transformation is definitely going to come. Do not change your life tomorrow. Change your life in the next 10 minutes to come. Pick 3 micro habits, commit yourself for next 30 days and see the changes within 30 days. If this resonates with you, then comment 1%, and if you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.